Look at this. Unbelievable. A Ferrari. A Ferrari. It's been here forever. No way. Is that really?
It is, man. It's a Ferrari.
Look at this emblem. Unbelievable. Look at this paint. It's completely gone. Unreal. How long has this been here? Decades, judging by the rust. All right, straps are secure?
Yeah.
Good. Start the air. We'll get this tire firm enough to load. Keep it steady. Watching it. Almost there.
Yeah.
Good, looks secure. All right, let's get it in the center. Gently now, watch the front.
Looks pretty
bad.
Look at the extent of this rust. It's pretty deep. We'll need to strip it. Let's get it on the lift for a full teardown.
All right, driver's seat is free. Got the wiring bundle here, careful.
Yeah.
Dashboard next. Wires are clear.
Yeah.
Hold on, this fuel line is tight. Hydraulic is lifting. Careful with the transmission. Hand me the torque wrench, please. Right here. Watch the exhaust. Almost loose. Lower it slowly.
All right, time for the deep clean. This grease is stubborn. Watch this pressure washer work. Looks brand new.
Sounds incredible.